That's a wrap up. Over the last few weeks, we have built some amazing mechanics in Unreal Engine together. From object interaction, physics based grabs, shooting mechanics, footsteps, and more. This short series was all about quick, bite sized development ideas, and I hope it gave you both inspiration and practical skills. But this is just the beginning. From next week onwards, I will be posting two full tutorials on YouTube every week, going step by step from beginner friendly basics all the way to advanced systems. On Instagram, you will still get short explanation videos that break down things down quickly. Thank you for watching, for your support, and for being part of this journey. Make sure to follow along. The real deep dive starts now.